Errors can also be found during a period of testing known as unit testing. Unit testing at the core tests a single unit of code to make sure it functions as it should. When testing a unit of code, it should be tested for every possibility, especially if the code is conditional in nature. Here's a good example of this. We have a do-while loop that shows the number of orders for toy cars so long as the number is less than or equal to 5. Because this is a do loop, as established elsewhere in this course, this loop should run at least once, no matter what the condition. I will run the code as is, and the code runs as expected. I will then change the initial x setting to 6. Run this code again, and the code does run once as this is a do loop. When the expected outcome is known, this type of testing is known as white box testing. Black box testing is typically done by users, as black box testing is done with no knowledge of any expected outcome.